Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today it's just a quick little show and tell and a shout out. These are my two first electronic high security mortise locks. This is the Medeco Asa Abloy X4. It's got the regular high security features of a Medeco. You got to lift and rotate the key pins. You got to set all 6 drivers. And then on top of that, even if you're managed to do that, you pick that, you still need the electronic element inside of this key to interact with a processor inside of this lock. So these are super cool high security locks. And this one here is the Medeco Cliq. Look at that, beautiful. Just wanted to share and show off the goodies. I'm planning on getting another one of these type things. One of these beautiful type mounts. I'd like to get a couple more of these made by myself or by other fellow members in the community. I will pay, obviously, to have them done. I absolutely want to make a couple more, maybe 3 more. One will be for my electronic locks. We'll have that on there. I want to make one for my Miwas. I want to have a nice little Miwa station. And then, as I mentioned before, I still would love to have a dimple station, like a multi-lock station. You know, with my multi-lock junior, interactive, classic, maybe a DeGuard. You know, a couple different cool display stations. But we're going off track here. Baskerville, thank you so much for sending me these beautiful high security electronic locking systems. Love it. Love you, bro. Those of you not familiar with Baskerville, link to his channel will be in the title of this video. Go check him out. Show him some love. Super talented guy. Very smart guy. And he's a good buddy of mine. So go show him some love. Okay, guys? That's all I got for you. Until next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. I will catch you later. Ciao.